Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: the Xbox serial, the email linked to the Microsoft account, and physical access to the console. Next, try an account password reset through the Microsoft sign-in page. This is the legitimate way to regain control. If family settings show a parent account, ask that parent to remove restrictions. Once done, sign back into the console with the recovered credentials so changes can propagate and you can avoid unnecessary resets or data loss. If password recovery is impossible and you have rightful ownership, consider console-level options. Remove the profile from system settings and try re-adding it after resetting the account password. If that fails, a factory reset will remove all profiles and settings. Make sure you understand it erases local games and saves not backed up. Before initiating, back up any transferable data to cloud or external storage, and note account sign-in details to prevent repeated lockouts. Finally, sign in with the recovered account and deliberately reconfigure parental controls so they match your intentions. This prevents future surprises. If you cannot regain access, contact Microsoft support and provide proof of purchase or account ownership to validate the request. As a last resort, create a new adult account and move licenses or purchases where allowed, then set family controls properly. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to have purchase receipts and account recovery info ready when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.